today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious appetizer made out of bread recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need bread, ham, cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 garlic cloves shredded, and skewers. We're going to take our slice of bread, and then we're going to add a slice of ham on top of this. And over the ham, we're going to add another slice of cheese, and we're going to repeat this with all of our ingredients. Now we're going to add in 6 evenly spread out skewers, and we're going to press it all the way through all the layers. We're going to use a knife to cut in between each of the skewers so that we're left with 6 squares. We're going to place each of the skewers onto a baking sheet. We're going to melt the butter in the microwave. To the melted butter, we're going to add in the garlic and mix completely. We're going to spread this mixture onto each of the skewers. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Our appetizer made out of bread recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.